Unlock cinematic audio for your Sony A1 by mastering external microphone integration. First, let's ensure you have the right tools. The Sony A1 supports a wide range of external microphones, including professional shotgun microphones for focused audio capture and discrete lavalier microphones for clean dialogue. Ensure your chosen microphone is compatible with the camera's multi-interface shoe or has the appropriate adapter for a standard 35mm jack. Connecting is simple. If you're using a microphone designed for the multi-interface shoe, carefully align the shoe contacts and slide the microphone firmly into place until it clicks to ensure a secure connection and power transfer. For microphones with a 35mm output, locate the dedicated microphone input jack on your A1. Usually found alongside other ports. Plug your microphone's cable securely into this port. Now, let's configure the camera power on your Sony A1. Navigate to the camera's main menu. Look for the audio or sound settings section here. You'll find an option for mic input or input selection. Select external mic or mic 10 decibels depending on your microphone's output level and sensitivity. For most external mics, external mic will be the correct setting. Next, adjust your audio levels within the audio settings. You should see an audio level or gain control. Speak into your microphone at normal speaking volume and observe the audio level meter on your A1 screen. Aim for the levels to peak in the green or yellow range without hitting the red, which indicates clipping or distortion. It's also crucial to monitor your audio. Plug in your headphones to the camera's headphone jack to actively listen to what your microphone is capturing. This allows you to immediately identify any issues, like background noise or levels that are too low. Troubleshooting common issues is straightforward. If you're not getting any sound, double-check that the microphone is securely connected to both the camera and its power source. If applicable, ensure the correct input is selected in the menu. If your audio sounds distorted, reduce the microphone's gain or input level. Remember to experiment with microphone placement for the best results. By following these steps, you're well on your way to capturing crystal clear, professional sound audio for all your Sony A1 productions.